Ahoy hoy! Here in this experiment, I'm going to show you how sound is actually produced. I'm going to produce sound using vibration only. I'm going to vibrate this styrofoam cup so fast that you will be able to hear the sound from it. Let me see if I can do that. What the setup is here is that I have a laptop. The signals from the laptop are passing into this amplifier here. They are getting amplified and then they are passing into this motor. And this motor has this one toothpick attached to it. So the motor will vibrate and the vibrations are going to pass through this toothpick. Let's see how it looks like. Before, I'm just going to show you how different types of frequencies look like when they are passing through this vibration. Check this out. This is an application that I've already given to you on Google Classroom. It's Tone Generator. I'm going to start producing a sound using this and see how that frequency looks like in terms of vibration. Let's check it. This is 1 hertz, that means 1 vibration per second. You see that? 1 vibration per second. Tuck, 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 tuck. Actually, you can use this as a clock idea. Let's try to increase the frequency now. This is 3 hertz, that means 3 vibrations per second. This is 4 hertz, 4 vibrations per second. This is 9 hertz, 9 vibrations per second. This is 16 hertz, 16 vibrations per second. Can you see this? I hope you can see this now. It's going to get even faster than this. It's going to get even faster. Even faster. Now it is 26 vibrations per second. That means 26 hertz. Now it is 41 hertz. Now it is 54 hertz. It may seem like that it's not vibrating, but it's vibrating very, very fast. Now it's 70 and now it's 80 hertz. Does it look like it's vibrating? It's vibrating very, very, very fast. How you can prove it? If I will just touch it on my finger, it will show you how fast it's vibrating. It's vibrating. Now, do you want to see what this vibration of 84 hertz can actually produce as a sound? Let's try. I'm going to touch it first. Can you hear that? That's the sound of 84 hertz. Now I'm going to just put this toothpick in it so that the sound will be more clear. That's the sound of 84 hertz. Let me try to increase the frequency here. This is 112 hertz. This is 262 hertz. This is 410 hertz. It's all being done by the vibrations passing from this motor into this styrofoam cup. This is 750 hertz. 1038 hertz. 1300 hertz. Now, the sound that you heard is just a beeping sound. Different frequencies of different amplitudes, when produced, and that kind of vibration can produce a different kind of sound. Let's for instance take the video from YouTube. The sound frequency that it gives is of different frequencies. It's not just one sound that's coming from it, it's varying frequencies. Let's see how that looks like as vibrations. You will not be able to hear anything, but you can see the vibrations here. This is the vibration of the sound that is produced by that song. If I'm going to try and hear what these vibrations actually mean, I can do that. This is it. Just a stick and a styrofoam cup. No speaker, just a stick and a styrofoam cup. Now there's one more thing I can do. I can touch this behind my ear onto the bone. And I can hear it in my ear. That's called bone conduction. The sound can actually pass through solids. This is how you can prove it. The sound is passing through this stick, from the motor, through this stick, into my bones, from bones into my ear. And I can hear it right there, into my cochlea. You know what I can do? I can actually bite on it and I will be able to hear it in my ear. It will pass through my teeth, into my skull, into the cochlea, and I will be able to hear it through bone conduction. That means sound can actually pass through solids. There are two things that you can prove from it. All sounds are produced by vibrations, like vibration, sound. And sound can actually pass through solids. Yeah, it can. Now, there's a reason that I'm using these light styrofoam cups. That's because the lighter the things are, the more they will vibrate. Okay? It's easier to vibrate them. I cannot use a heavy metal cup. It's going to be hard to vibrate that. Let's try this. Have you ever heard the sound of a bottle? I'll try to do that. Here's a bottle. Let's try to see if I can produce sound using this. This is what I'm doing. I'm touching this bottle with this stick. When I stop, it stops. You can actually make anything vibrate and produce sound as long as you have powerful vibrations. The connections are a bit loose. It's the bottom of this cup that's vibrating, and this cone shape is amplifying the sound. Let's try one more. I made this cone, and at the bottom of it, it is a styrofoam cup. Pretty loud, right? That's it for this one. Check out the other video as well.